Alright you guys, so my crawfish is ready to come out. As you can see, it's a nice orange color. I have turned off my heat so that it would stop boiling, and then I have let it sit here and soak for about a good 30 to 40 minutes. And I took one out and tried it, and it tasted delicious. The meat was nice and plumpy and juicy, and it took all my seasoning of the juice in pretty well. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to go ahead and drain it. Just in a nice big bucket like this. And then I have my Cajun Viet butter sauce ready. And we're going to show you how to coat this, and it'll be ready to go. Alright. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay. Alright, this pan's pretty full, so I'm going to go ahead and put my butter sauce on. Put them over here. Okay. And when you guys, I make so much butter sauce here just because we want to be generous with our sauce whenever we pour it over the crawfish. So be sure to mix it up real well. If you guys want the recipe to my Cajun butter sauce, click on the link above and you'll have the full recipe on how to make this. Alrighty, here we go. We're gonna pour it. We're gonna coat it all nice and good, and we're gonna shake it up. Don't be stingy with the sauce. That's why we made a whole bunch, so that this would nicely coat and soak in all the juices. Alright. Okay. So with that, this thing's kind of big, so I'm going to be real careful while I'm shaking this. You want to mix it up real good, shake it. Get it up real nice. That way all the bottom, look at all the juices in the bottom. And if you feel like you need some more seasoning, just add some more of the butter. And to top this off, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my Obey seasoning. Just like that. And if the kids don't like it spicy, just don't do this part. Alright you guys, so there you have it. This is Lanie Cooks Cajun Viet crawfish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for other videos like this. Thanks guys, have a good day.